Hi, it's Jez here from nigezza.co.uk. Welcome back to my channel, and it's the 1st of September, so it's Stamp Around UK, and our theme this month is clean and simple, which is not a thing I often do, but I did recently have to make a birthday card for my godson, and the card, after I made it, I went, oh, that would be clean and simple. So I thought I'd remake it for this video. I had to post the card, so I will insert a picture of it now. I hope I've remembered to insert that picture. If not, that's going to be a very long pause. So, yes, he was really into Captain America. So I needed to make something quick because I missed his birthday. I remembered his birthday on the weekend before, and then I remembered his birthday on the day, and I forgot to send him a card. So, yeah. That's just how I roll. I said, I'm just going to not break with tradition and be late as usual. So I have used Pacific Point card base. I've got 2 basic white mats, one for the outside and one for the centre. And those are the colours I'm going to use for the shield, along with real red. So really, really simple. We just need some layering circles for the shield. So let me show you what I did. So I took the largest layering, so you can see there where I have cut it out. So I took the largest layering circle, and then I went not to the next one, but to the next one down, so that we had quite a nice big border. I cut some white out, and then not the next one down, but the next one down, so that there's quite a big border there. Out of this same one, I cut the red circle, and then I am using retired stars because I don't have any stars. I think there's a punch in the catalogue actually that punches out stars, but these are forever in my collection. So I used the smallest stitch star there, and I think I used the smallest circle. It was about making sure it fitted inside. Yeah, that's right. So this smallest circle is out of a scrap of Pacific Point. This is how I store my little scrap bits. So that will come out of there. Yep, quite nicely. And then I can cut the star out of there and be frugal that way. So I'm going to get all these die cut. So there they're all cut out, and they just layer up. So simple. Erring on the simple side of this, but now I've layered it up, I actually think I must have gone a bit smaller with that red one. So I've got the smaller die out, and I'm just going to recut that because I think I did make it a bit smaller. So I'm gonna do that again. So here we are with it a bit smaller. Yeah, I think that's it. So I wanted a bigger white circle on it, and I think, yeah, that is what I did. I've actually got a picture of it that I'm looking at. So that is how I laid it up. Okay, so my original card, I laid it that way, and I used a happy little bit late birthday. But I think this one, I might go by the side and use one of these happy birthdays here from Go To Greetings. I love this set. Me and my friend Jill have been saying for ages, we just need a stamp set with sort of happy birthdays, thank yous, just a note, thinking of you, you know, just general greetings in different sizes and different fonts. They listened. Well, not that we told them, it was just our thoughts. So actually I'd like a happy birthday that way. Maybe I will go back to that way, and then we'll just have, I'm just thinking that one's a wee bit big, isn't it? Yep, that one's too big. We'll go the next size down, which I clearly haven't used since I stuck it in the box. So yeah, there we go. Sometimes it does stick. So there, nice little simple happy birthday across there. Job's a good one. But I want it to be straight and in line, so I'm going to use my Stamparatus. So I've got my Stamparatus ready, and if you use the stamp box there, it sort of holds it nice and level. So looking at this stamp, it's pretty well sort of straight across. I'm gonna imagine where I want it. I think I want it there. Shield would be about there. I want it about there. So let's pick it up. And we can do a little practice stamp to see if it's straight. I don't want to dirty my mat, so I'm going to put a little post-it on there. And we'll stamp it. And then I can have a little look if that is straight. I think it needs to go up slightly on the H. So I'm going to move this down a bit. And I can see through there that the B's touching the line, but the H is slightly below it. So I'm going to move it ever so slightly. Now on this, there are some lines. So I'm just going to ever so slightly move the H up a tad. And then we can stamp it again. And then I can check, yeah, both those, top of those letters are touching the line there. I can just see through my post-it, and that looks to be straight. And that, yep, is where I want it. So take off my post-it, put this back in place, hold it down, ink it up, stamp. There we have, perfect stamp. And the thing about your Stamparatus is you can stamp again if you want. I've got a little mark there, I don't know where that's come from, but it's okay. I will be covering it anyway. So just put that away for now. We'll deal with that afterwards. So I didn't want to just have the card like that. I mean, it looks nice enough, layered up, but I felt, I mean, clean and simple. It's pretty clean and simple, but I felt it needed a little bit more. I don't like smooth mats. I like to add some embossing of some sort. I didn't want to emboss the whole lot, so I did what I often do now, to add a little bit of detail to a card, I'm just going to emboss some lines around it. So this is a very simple way that you can add some detail to your card. So this is a UK mat, so it is 3 7/8 wide. It would be different if you're using letter size, but it matters not. What I did was I just came in 1/8 from the edge and scored, and then I came in 1/8 from that and scored again. So I think 1/8 of an inch is a nice spacing, and then I did the same top and bottom. Just come in 1/8. Doesn't matter about that slip because I just slipped to the next one, and there we go. So that is just a nice way to add some lines, and I decided that I'd do it on the centre as well. I thought let's make the centerpiece decorative as well. Sometimes I'll add a bit of DSP or I'll add some stamping, but as I don't have a Captain America stamp, I didn't have an appropriate stamp to stamp on the inside. So I think a couple of years ago we did have a stamp set that had like superheroes. I guess if you've got that, you could stamp one of those in the corner, but I don't. It's not really my thing. So I decided, well, I can add that to the inside as well, and that'll make it look good. So now it's just a matter of sticking this down. So I assembled the shield and then stuck it up on dimensionals, so that it don't know why I put it around the middle, because it doesn't need to go around the centre. That's just going to put glue on me mat like a wally. There we go. Just put some where these stars are so it will stick. So sometimes clean and simple cards are not that simple to make. They're just simple in the simplicity of them. I watched my mate Jill do clean and simple cards, and she like measures everything, and it's like, it's not actually simple, is it? But this one really is. Just need your eye to make sure the margins are such. Where's my star? Where's my wee star? There it is. And I did get the cool vote from my godson. I bought him a Captain America t-shirt as well. Nice stylish one, because he was 17. And yeah, his mum messaged me and went, he's worn it now for 2 days solid, including going out with his girlfriend, so definitely likes it. And I'm like, I'm hoping on day 3 it went in the wash. So that is our shield, and then we're just going to, it will be covered on that, yeah it will. So I'm not worrying about there. I did a slight mark on there, so we'll just stick this to the front. do love the colour Pacific Point, and I don't use it very often. So then we want centre one in. So you will find linked down below all the other participants in the hop. So do go and check them all out and see what everybody else has made. Share some crafty love. If you're not subscribed to any of them, do. We have new people that join us from time to time, so there might be some people, if you've hopped before, there might be some new people that you're not subscribed to, so go and check them out. By giving likes and adding comments, it helps us with the YouTube algorithm to get seen more. So, which is why we do the hop, to sort of help grow our channels. So just sticking that on there, make sure the star's pointing up, and that is my little clean and simple card. So I hope you liked that. I hope you'll go and check everybody out. I'll link down below to everything that I've used in the making of this card. I do think the adding the school lines in the centre help as well. So there we are. I hope you like that, and I hope to see you again very, very soon with another video. Okay, bye for now.